A snapshot gives you an overall understanding of the concepts that can be found in a certain textual dataset, and it can be visualized as a skill map. You can move around the map by dragging, and you can zoom in and zoom out with your mouse scrolling wheel. In the center of the map, you can find the concept that had the highest number of appearances in the dataset. The darker color means high number of appearances, the lighter color means less appearances. When hovering the map, you can find skill clusters. These cells are connected to each other in this dataset. A borderline between two cells indicate that these two cells don't have a strong connection in this dataset. If you click a concept, it will move in the center of the map, and the map will reorganize around it.